viewers, today we are going to discuss how to write the rate of reaction in terms of reactants and product. For example, if you take this reaction, this one, so here what you have to write is rate of reaction is basically means that how fast the reactants are consumed or how fast the products are formed. So if we want to write it in terms of say reactant, so we will write delta the reactant upon delta T. Why delta T? Because we know that the concentration of N2O5 will decrease with time, right? So because it is decreasing, that is why we have written this negative sign. Negative sign basically shows that the concentration is decreasing with time, and the coefficient of the reactant or product is to be written in fraction form, that is 1 upon. So here it is written 2, so you'll write 1 upon 2. Similarly, that will be equal to the how fast the products are formed. So here the product is NO2 and O2. So if you want to write your rate of reaction in terms of NO2, you will write delta. Delta means basically change in concentration of NO2 with time, and 1 upon the number of moles for NO2 is 4. So that is why we have written it as 1 by 4, or it could be equal to delta O2 by delta T. And you can see here nothing is written in front of it in fractional form because we know that number of moles in the particular balanced reaction is 1 for oxygen. And also one more thing you have to notice here is that in front of NO2 and O2 we have not written minus. Why not? Because we know during the reaction the reactants are consumed, means their concentration is decreasing, whereas the products are being formed, so means their concentration will increase. So we don't write increase in minus sign, so we don't write this sign, we basically write it with plus sign but not with negative sign.